Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is a very cool boho hanging chair. We picked this up at Aldi in one of their special finds aisles. This is made by Belavi. What a Wonderful World is their logo. This is, like I said, a boho hanging chair. It's got a sturdy powder coated steel frame and a nice poly cotton rope weaving. This is our second one. We retired our other one after like 4.5, 5 years. We had left it out in the elements a few seasons too long, so it got a little ratty. So I would imagine taking this in during the rainy season or during the winter, of course. But we were happy with it, and it was a very chic piece of our backyard hanging under one of the trees. Price point on this was about $40 from Aldi again. I'm going to do a quick time unboxing, and later on I'm going to set it up in the tree. It includes all the hanging hardware you need, by the way. Let's unbox it. Well, here's everything that comes in. You do have that nice powder-coated steel ring frame, thick rope with nice 2 sets of rings to hang from it. And there is an S-hook, I believe, or maybe a carabiner. And a little bag here. Let's see what's in there. Okay, a carabiner with a lock. 2 of them, actually. And the cushion, which is in a plastic bag down below with what looks like the directions. So everything you need in one box. We'll hang this up later and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, it took about 10 minutes to hang this up and to adjust it just right. These are very comfortable and they sway slightly. One thing I will tell you, the knit stretches slightly, so I would hang it a little bit higher than you expect, because when you sit it will sink a little bit. So that's our boho chair overlooking the backyard. It's a nice peaceful way to relax. Thanks for watching.